Everyone, welcome back to Samantha's Jamaican Skincare. So today I'll be showing you how to make a natural face mask at home using simple ingredients you can find in your kitchen. These masks are perfect for nourishing and revitalizing your skin. First up, we have the honey and yogurt mask. This mask is great for moisturizing and brightening your skin. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture into the skin, and yogurt contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates and brightening the complexion. To make it, mix 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Up next is the turmeric and oatmeal mask, right? This turmeric and oatmeal mask perfect for reducing redness and exfoliating the skin. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that help calm the skin, while oatmeal gently exfoliate and soothing irritation. Combine 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 2 teaspoons of oatmeal. Add a bit of water to make a paste. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse off with lukewarm water. Next up, we have the avocado and olive oil mask. For deep hydration, try the avocado and olive oil mask. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamins that nourishes the skin, and the olive oil locks in the moisture and provides antioxidants. Mash half an avocado and mix it with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can wash it off with lukewarm water. Up next is the banana and honey face mask. Another great option is banana and honey mask. Bananas are packed with vitamins and minerals that hydrate and nourishes the skin, while honey provides additional moisture and antibacterial properties. Mash 1 ripe banana and mix it with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Lastly, we have the aloe vera and lemon juice mask, which helps brighten and soothe the skin. Aloe vera is known for soothing and healing properties, and lemon juice helps to lighten dark spots and even out the skin tone. Mix 2 teaspoons of aloe gel with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply it to your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water. I hope you enjoy these easy DIY face masks. Recipes. Each one is designed to help with different skin concerns, for hydration and for brightening to soothing and nourishing. Give them a try and let me know your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. For more skincare tips, see you in the next video. Bye guys.